everyone, welcome back. I'm going to make a galaxy painting. So let us see the requirements needed to make this painting. First thing which you need is a canvas or a paper. This is my homemade canvas. If you want me to make a video on homemade canvas, comment below. Or you can also use a normal paper. The next thing which you need is acrylic colors. If you don't have, you can also use watercolors or poster colors or whatever color is available with you. The next thing which we need are brushes. I am using these Camlin brushes. Next is a color palette, or if you don't have, you can also use a normal plate. Then we need a bowl of water to wash our brushes. So these were the requirements. Now let's begin. The colors which we need are blue, white, black, magenta, red and yellow. Now first I'm taking this flat brush number 8. You can choose any number of brush according to the size of your paper. Here I am taking blue color, Persian blue on the color palette, and I am adding few drops of water so that it's not thick, not too thin. Now I am applying on the canvas. Follow the way I am moving the brush. I am moving it in every direction. Now I am mixing blue and white to make sky blue color, and we will add it next to the blue, and we need to merge it, we need to blend it properly. And if you want, you can add few drops of water. Now I'm again adding little blue up so that the blue and sky blue blends together properly. Now I'm washing my brush and I'm making this color with the sky blue color what we made. I have just added little yellow to it, and we got a different shade of sky blue. Now I'm adding it some patches on the canvas. You can add it anywhere. Now I'm mixing red and blue to make purple color, and we will also add it down to the sky blue. This also I'm adding it anywhere on the canvas. Now to the purple color which we made, we are adding this magenta. Magenta looks like this. So I'm adding magenta to this purple color, and this also we will add it. It is just to give another shade of purple. Now I'm just washing my brush and taking magenta, and I'm adding few drops of water to it, and we'll also add it down. Now let's add some stars to our galaxy. We need a old brush and white paint. Now we will dip our brush into the white paint, and now with the help of our fingers we will move the bristles and see the effect. How nice it looks. Now let's make a moon. Now with black paint we will draw a thick line down like this. Let's make some trees. Just draw a line. You can also use a round brush, small number, but I am doing it with a small flat brush. Now in the black paint add some water, and don't take so much of water. Okay, now like this patches if you make, you'll find a perfect tree. Now I'm adding few more trees. so that it looks good. See that your brush is not too wet, it must be little dry, and it's done. Now let it dry. Till our painting dries, I'll tell you few rules that you must follow. Rule number 1 is to keep your paint cap closed. Let's move to rule number 2, that is to wash your brushes. I know the water is dirty, so after you have washed in the dirty water, take some clean water and then you wash in that, like this. Now see how clean they are looking. Rule number 3 is to wash your color palette. See how dirty it is? Go and wash it. Rule number 4 is to clean your bowl of water. And rule number 5 is to clean your desk where you have just now done the painting. Clean it with a cloth. Now painting has dried. Our galaxy painting is ready.